It'll be called Japanese egg roll. Children, do not try this at home. Ta-da!
Do you need some ketchup and mustard with your stuff, sir and mom?
Please.
Okay. Bring it right there.
That off to the side. Have you ever seen the Japanese fire starter?
No.
So you take the lid off of this onion stuff, whatever. I don't know what it's called. So you pour it like that and go. And you gotta go. Then you go.
Hey, sir, will you do the spray stuff?
Sure. Get my water.
Flip your knives one time after you give her water.
Okay, no, I want the hot stuff.
The hot pepper.
Uh-huh. That's the hot pepper's the red.
So you want the hot pepper?
Uh-huh.
So do you want the water or hot pepper?
Hot pepper.
Okay. The hot pepper.
Thank you.
Good job. Good job. So we're gonna pepper the eggs. So you got chicken rice or sushi?
Chicken.
Cheese.